Hello and welcome to the International Learning Design Challenge. Well, this is a new kind of event for teachers where we're setting out to bring the teaching community together to share our best ideas about how to teach. And we're doing this because teaching as a profession is changing. It cannot be seen simply as passing on knowledge to the next generation. Teachers in the 21st century, in all education sectors, have to cope with cultural and technological environment that's changing all the time. We're all aware of the rapid cultural changes that make students today so diverse and so different from the students of even just 10 years ago. And that's a challenge for teaching in itself. But there's another challenge, which is much less acknowledged. Digital technology. It's there already, in the classroom or lecture theatre, at home, in the workplace, on the way between home and the school or college. It's everywhere. And teachers are using it, exploring what it can do, discovering interesting new ways of teaching, and often learning from their own students. But meanwhile, the technology is changing incredibly fast, so it's very hard to keep up with all the valuable opportunities it's creating for students. Every day, teachers design and test new ways of using learning technology to help their students. But there are two big problems with this. Their discoveries remain local, and they have very little time and support to do this kind of innovation. But maybe we can do it together. That's the vision behind the Learning Design Challenge. Our aim is to engage teachers from across the globe to join in designing, sharing, and discussing how to create great learning designs for transforming education. We're going to bring teachers together to innovate and share their ideas to create what we hope will be 100 designs. And to make this work effectively, we'll use a new kind of learning design tool called the Learning Designer. It's a web-based tool, so it's easy to demonstrate and use in this environment. It also asks you to decide which type of learning each activity promotes. Is it learning from reading or listening? Is it learning through discussing or practicing or inquiring or collaborating or producing something? You have to decide how long each activity is meant to last, even if it's something the student is doing at home or online. And as you work, it gives you a bit of help. It gives you feedback in the form of a pie chart showing the nature of the overall learning experience you've created. So we'd like to invite you to join us for this Learning Design Challenge. You don't have to be a teacher. You may simply be interested in designing good ways of using learning technology. This is a free event. Just go to our website, buildingcommunityknowledge.wordpress.com, and there you can find out about the activities and the schedule for the week. You can get involved simply by registering an email address. And if you want to find out more about the work of the team and how we're building community knowledge, you can follow us on Twitter at LDTool. So please come and join us. All of us on the team are looking forward to working with you online and hope you'll be able to take part in this first ever International Learning Design Challenge.